Using the Coravin Wine Preservation System is as easy as insert, tip, and pour. First, twist the cup off the unit. Drop the Coravin Pure capsule into the cup, round end first. Twist the cup onto the unit tightly until there is no give left. Coravin works with bottles closed with natural cork or with screw caps using the Coravin screw cap accessory. You can also use the Coravin wine bottle sleeve. Step 1. Insert. Squeeze the clamps and place around the neck of the bottle so that the needle guide is flush with the top of the cork or foil. Release the clamps. Before each use, press the trigger quickly to clear the Coravin Wine Preservation System of any air or old wine. Press the handle down fully with the palm of your hand. Step 2. Tip. With one hand holding the bottle and the other on the handle, tilt the bottle so that the spout is lower than the base of the bottle and the wine is fully in contact with the cork. Step 3. Pour. Press and release the trigger quickly to pour your desired amount of wine. Repeat if the flow of wine slows or stops. To stop the flow of wine, tilt the bottle to an upright position at any time. When you're done, grasp the handle while holding the bottle by the clamps. Firmly pull the handle straight up until it is fully extended. Squeeze the clamps and remove the unit from the bottle. After you pour, preserve. It's not unusual for the needle to leave behind a drop or two of wine on top of the cork or foil. Just wait a few seconds while the cork fully reseals and then wipe it off. Clear the system of any remaining wine by briefly pressing the trigger to release a short burst of gas. Store your wine bottles on their side in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, and preserve what's left in the bottle for weeks, months, or even years.